Hello, beautiful people. Welcome once again to Niceroy 101 channel. So today we are doing a quick project with this Dollar Tree dish drying mat. Now this project is less than $2 with this 125, and I bought a bunch of zipper from Amazon, and by calculating the quantity divided by the price divided by the quantity, one comes to less than 50 cents. So this whole project is less than $2, and I'll be putting the link to this zip. It comes in many colors, so you can use it for a whole lot of project. I'll put the link to the zippers in the description below. Okay, so let's go on to our projects. We are making a makeup bag or a makeup pouch, however you call it. So this mat is 12 inches by 18 inches or 30 centimeters by 40 centimeters. So let me cut it. Okay, so I really like the colors and the checkered. Okay, so this is it, and so this is the 12 inches, and that is the 18 inches. So this is going to be simple and easy. So I like this for the makeup bag because it's already padded and it's lined, so you don't need anything else. All you need is the drying mat. That's it. So let's cut this out from it. Okay, so what you are going to do, we are just starting sewing. It's good to have this here because we are not going to do the regular zip that you finish and flip it. We are going to just put it on here like this and sew it. Let me change the foot so that it can stitch appropriately. Yeah, I have this narrow foot. Let me let this up. So I have this mechanism here that I did myself. I don't have to screw this and open it. So if you want to see how to do it, please put a comment down there so that I'll make a separate video on how. It just takes 2 seconds. I push it, I move it, and I put another one there. So let me know if you want to see a tutorial on how to do that. It works for all machines, all sewing machines. With the domestic ones, they naturally they come like that. It's easy to switch, but with the industrials you have to always screw. So I researched and found this way of doing it. Yes, so I'll just put the zipper. I'm making sure I'm not stitching too close so that the zipper can move freely. This machine automatically cuts. This is where it will be a bit dicey because of how it is, but you just open the zipper. But before I open, let me do this. Let me mark so that I will know. Okay. Yeah. If you're a beginner, you might consider pinning it all the way so that it will be easy. So that it will be easy for you. Yeah. And using a longer zipper makes it easy. It opens wider. Okay, so we can either start stitching from here, or we go the other way around. Just a moment. Since I want to start from here, I want to make sure I'm starting right. So I'm lining it up. Now I'm not worried about that because it's going to go into the stitch. Okay. All right. So it's coming together. At this point, if you don't want to go further, you can just stitch the left and right and get done. Yeah, so because we are going to learn, we're going to line both centers together. We have to create a notch, or you can just put a pin here to know the center. Put a pin here as well. So let me turn it inside out and zip it. Not all the way, because you might zip the puller outside. Yes, so I'm lining the center of the zipper to where the center at the bottom that I pinned. So now I can pin it down like this, and make sure this part too is falling in the center. Now open it to the extent that you can easily keep opening, because if you lock yourself out, you sleep outside. Yes, okay. I'm just making sure it's right there at the center. I just want to stitch it down first before I don't want any problem. Okay, so now I have that one down. I hope I didn't create any mess here. Okay, so we are going to stitch all the way on this side and all the way on the other side. Okay, so at this point we can cut the excess off. Okay. And we are going to box the corners. Okay, so I'm going to box the corners. So I'm going to mark 1.5 inch on both sides. When you are marking from here, make sure you mark it from the stitch. You measure from the stitch line. So that is my 1.5 on the stitch line. And also, okay, let me be sure I'm on. This is 1.5, and it's supposed to be. I have a way that I'll do it so that we wouldn't have unfinished corners. We will finish with the corners very well hidden and clean. Okay, so let me go ahead and open, and we are going to turn it inside out. And I'll rather start stitching. I'll stitch it on the right side first. At this point, I think I can use my regular foot. I just realized I have this ink from a pen that I was using. Sorry. Okay. So you stitch all the 4 corners. If you're a beginner, please hold them together with a pin or clips. I'm stitching close to the line as possible. Yeah. This is easy because this mat holds itself together really well. Okay, so if your stitch is not too close to the edges, you can trim it, but this one I stick them very close to the edges, so I think I can go ahead and do the last step. The inside too looks good, really good. Now this part is already finished. I'll just it's just the ends of the zipper that I'll have to bend a little so that it wouldn't fray. Yeah. Yeah, beside that, this part is finished. So you turn it inside out, then you stitch once again. You make sure the ends are out. really well before you stitch it. It's coming out real good. Wow. Yes. Okay, so you are going to stitch all the 4 corners. One thing I like about this machine is a double stitch at the beginning and the end. You have to set it up like that anyway. This is the Jack A5A. Stitching with stitch 3. Now we have clean inside, no unfinished edges. Okay. Oh my god, I really like this. Wow. Isn't she lovely? Okay. Yes. So our sweet beauty is ready. Okay, so the final size dimensions. Okay, here is about 5 inches. Let me say 4.5 by 3.5 by 7.5. Is she not gorgeous? Yes. So this is it. This is less than $2. Can you believe that? She's so lovely. So what I would like to do next time is maybe I'll do another stitch line to hold this part down. That is it. Beside that, I just had to make this because I knew it was going to be good. Yes. So you have your cute makeup pouch for makeup boxy bag for less than $2. Okay. Now, if you're going to make this, please do it and come and share it in the Facebook group. I'll put the link down in the description. If you're a member there already too, when you make it, show us. Let's see which drying mat pattern did you use. And if you like to see more of this, I have a couple of mats here. If you like to see more of this Dollar Tree project, put it down in the comments and let me know. I'm so excited about how this one came out, and I'll be doing more of it. Okay, so if you like this, please give me some thumbs up, share it with a friend, and also join us in the Facebook group and share with us what you make. And I think I'm so excited, I don't know what to say. Okay, so that'll be it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back soon with yet another nice project. Thank you.